What if I told you that just $100 invested in Bitcoin over a decade ago could have grown into an incredible fortune? Some call Bitcoin the future of money. Others believe it's the biggest financial innovation since the internet. Still don't fully understand what Bitcoin actually is. By the end of this video, you'll know why Bitcoin has become one of the world's most talked about financial assets. Let's start with the most important question. What exactly is Bitcoin? Imagine money that doesn't belong to any government or central bank. No bank controls it, no company owns it, no single person can shut it down. That's Bitcoin, a completely digital form of money introduced in 2009. A completely digital form of money. Its creator used the name Satoshi Nakamoto, but their true identity remains unknown. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't printed whenever more money is needed. Instead, thousands of computers around the world verify every Bitcoin transaction. Bitcoin was born after the 2008 global financial crisis shook trust in price. After the 2008 banks collapsed, governments stepped in, and millions of people lost jobs and savings. Bitcoin offered a different idea. Money that people could control themselves. Its goal was simple: allow people to send money directly without needing a bank. Today, people use Bitcoin for investing, saving, and even international payments. Some places, businesses even accept Bitcoin for everyday purchases. Here's the biggest question. If Bitcoin isn't physical, why is it valuable? If Bitcoin isn't physical, why is it valuable? The answer begins with one powerful word: scarcity. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. Not 22 million, not 30 million, just 21 million. Traditional currencies can be created whenever governments choose. Some investors believe Bitcoin's fixed supply may help preserve value over time, though opinions differ. Buying Bitcoin today is much easier than it was just a few years ago. Many Americans buy Bitcoin through regulated cryptocurrency exchanges or investment platforms. Bitcoin might seem expensive, but here is a secret. You don't need to buy one whole Bitcoin. You can start with any amount. You can start with as little as $10 or $20. Every small fraction counts toward your future. After buying, Bitcoin can stay on the platform or move into your own digital wallet. Always choose reputable platforms and protect your account carefully. Bitcoin's network itself has operated securely for many years. Digital assets offer great opportunities, but stay vigilant. However, scams, hacked accounts, and user mistakes can still cause losses. Protect yourself. Never share your recovery phrase. And always enable two-factor authentication. Remember, Bitcoin prices can rise quickly, but they can also fall sharply. If you invest, make sure it fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin is changing how many people think about money. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe to Apex Profit, and join us for more simple investing insights.